Ngiyathokoza kakhulu nina besilo somlomo nesekela lakho Dunankulu wesifundazwe saKwaZulu-Natal umhlonishwa uMadube Mncube nesigungu sakho songqongqoshe obambisene nabo Dunankulu ngithokoze kakhulu amalungu ahloniphekileyo alendlu nonke nani ngiyanibikelela ngiphakamise ukubingelela okukhulu ngibingelela indlu nkulu kaZulu ngiqale ngokuthi ngibingelele uDlunkulu akwaLinduzulu okhona phakathi kwethu enmaziyo nani umama kimi Dlunkulu ngibingelele ngokukhulu futhi ukuhlonipha amakhosi asendlunkulu onke akhona namhlanje phakathi kwethu ngibingelela izimeya amakhansela nazo zonke izinduna ezikhona kulolu suku namhlanje ngibingelele futhi amanxusa amele amazwe angaphandle abafundisi nabaholi bezenkolo abakhona phakathi kwethu ngibingelele ingubo kaZulu eliyibutho futhi liyivikela sihlalo ngibingelele kakhulu nina besilo ngibingelele sinenhlahla kukhona nomkhakha wezamabhizinisi abakhona nabo phakathi kwethu ngiyathokoza kakhulu ngibingelele nemedia ekhona phakathi kwethu ukuzobambisana nathi kulolu suku olubaleke kangaka kulolu suku lwanamhlanje ngiyathokoza kakhulu nina bakaphunga nomageba namhlanje sibungaza kuyintokozo enkulu kimi ukuba ngiphinde ngimenyezelwe ukuba ngizovula isishaya umthetho saKwaZulu-Natal okuyusiko olwenziwa uhulumeni wesifunda ngokuhlangana nendlunkulu nomdlokombane ngiyathokoza namhlanje nina besilo ukuba ningibizelele lapha namhlanje kulomsebenzi omkhulu kangaka ngiyakubiza ngenkonzo ngoba kuphila kwabantu masikulendlu nina besilo ngiyazi ukuthi zinzima kangakanani izimo esisuka kuzo ngokukhothama kukaNdunankulu kaZulu ngaphansi kwesilo sakwakhetha okuyila ahlala khona esihlalweni sikaNdunankulu ngaphansi kwesilo uBhusha waphinde wayibamba futhi ngaphansi kwesilo umdlokombane kwathi la esephetha khona wakwazi ukuthi futhi ekugcineni ayibambe indlela yokusebenza njengoNdunankulu ngaphansi kwami ngithokoza kakhulu Madam Speaker and honorable members of the House, this marks 30 years since the dawn of our democracy. The foundations of this democracy laid by kings such as King Cetshwayo Kampande, who fought against and defeated the British Army at the Battle of Isandlwane 145 years ago. It was in the defense of our land, which today we still protect. It is important that our democracy grows from strength to strength. So too should our commitment to preserving and celebrating our heritage grow at the same time in this matter. In regard, I've declared the year 2024 to be the year of peace, unity, revival, and pride and dignity amongst the Zulus and the province of KwaZulu-Natal. It is therefore befitting that together with the KZN provincial government and the Zululand district municipality, respectfully, we will later on this year unveil the statues of King Shaka Kasenzangakona at King Shaka International Airport and that of King Goodwill Zwelithini at the House of Legislature in Ulundi. I therefore appeal for peace, tolerance between all political parties, that all will be campaigning in this year and elections. I wish you all the best of luck. I come to raise something that concerns us all, which is the killing of our councillors in this province. My brothers and sisters, it must come to a stop. The killing of Amakhosi needs to come to a stop immediately. We are a province of peace and understanding. All this bloodshed must stop immediately. I'm sorry to mention, I know we haven't taken out too many royal orders, but this one, together with myself and the whole of the royal family, we declare that it must be a royal order, that all what we ask, please, can it come to a stop. I call upon this time on all the law enforcement agencies to arrest, prosecute, and look up to all these criminals who are giving our beautiful province a bad name. I would like to express my gratitude to the KZN provincial government, the royal family, Amakhosi, and the whole Zulu nation as a whole at large, whose support and encouragement has made that heavy load on my leadership to be easy to carry. A bit more lighter when we are together, working together. It does a lot of benefit to myself. I am your king at the end of the day, but I am also your servant. Nina Besilo, because of my vision is to protect and develop the land of the Zulu. Together with Amakhosi, I've introduced changes to the leadership of Ingonyama Trust will ensure that people who live on the land benefit with activities that are in Ingonyama Trust land. Somlomo, esandlwane kulo nyaka ngomhla ka-27 enyangeni kaMasingana kulo nyaka ngiqoke umfundisi Thulasizwe Buthelezi njengondunankulu kaZulu. Ngaphinde khona lapho inabesilo ngaqoka nenkosi uPhathisizwe Chiliza ukube abe yisekela likandunankulu ngenxa yobuningi nangenxa yomsebenzi abawuthwele. Ngizocela undunankulu ngoba khona bangamazi ukuba sondele eduze ngenimbone naye undunankulu isekela inkosi uChiliza nimbone nina besilo. Ngiyacela besondele eduze, ngicabanga ukuthi bakhona. ibona ke laba esizobambisana nabo kuze kube kusegcineni nina besilo. Angidingi kuba ngichaze kakhulu bobabili ngoba belapha nje basebenze kakhulu nesilo esebuzile. Kungakho nami ithemba ngilibeka kubona ukuthi yize ngisemncinyana esihlalweni kodwa ngokuba khona kwabo siyokwazi ukuthi sibambisane isizwe siqhubekele phambili. Ngiyathokoza nina besilo. Ngiselapho nina besilo ngiphinde ngamemezela ibutho elincane ukuthiwa silwanetshe. Nina bedlovu ibutho leli elincane nalo elabuthwa eSandlwane mhla kubekwa oNdunankulu. Nalo leli butho sizobambisana kanye nalo ngoba yibutho elincane elisakuningi okumele ukuthi likufunde uyothi ekufundeni ngoba ekhona amabutho amadala bayokwazi ukuthi uningi abayokufunda kuleli butho. Nina bendlovu kunebutho lami futhi elinye ngikhonzene kakhulu ngokuzwana nangokuba yingxenye yebutho ngoba ngimi lapha nami ngisaseyilona ibutho. Nina besilo ngiphinde ngiphakamise kukhona ibutho ukuthiwa ngelamabhinqa eliholwa ungizwe umacingwane. Nina besilo leli butho liphakamisa ngokuzigqaja okukhulu ubuZulu bethu futhi ngiyalibona liyanda leli butho. Ngiphakamise kumntwana uVanana, ngiphakamise enduneni yamabutho umhlongo futhi naye ukuba alisondele leli butho Mageba Njomane ukuba nalo libe seduze sibambisane sisebenzisane nalo. Nina basilo malungu ahloniphekileyo kulonyaka ngiyazi ukuthi kuningi okumsebenzi wesizwe esibhekene nakho. Ngikhona ngiyisilo ngaphakathi kwenu, ngiyanethembisa futhi ngiyanazisa ukuthi ngizobambisana kanye nani kukho konke eniyobe nikwenza. Ngalamazwi nina besilo ngithi ngokukhulu ukuhlonipha nokubika emakhosini angasekho namaqhawe alwela lesisizwe ukuba sikhululeke. Ngithi nina bendlovu ngisivula ngokusemthethweni isishayamthetho sika lonyaka ka-2024. Ngithokoza kakhulu ukini nonke enithe nahlanganisa lo msebenzi omkhulu kangaka. Ngihloniphe bonke abaholi abakhona namhlanje nabo bonke esibambisene nabo nabomthetho abakhona lapha namhlanje abenzayo ukuthi isifunda sethu siphephile nokuthi umthetho ugcinwe. Ngalamazwi nina besilo ngithokoza kakhulu nina bendlovu.